How can international money transfers become increasingly convenient and efficient with the advancement of digital platforms? How can digital platforms improve international money transfers? How can digital platforms enhance the convenience and efficiency of international money transfers? How can advancements in digital platforms make international money transfers more convenient and efficient? In this informative video, we will thoroughly explore and learn about the various features and numerous benefits of using Xoom for efficient and secure money transfers. Xoom offers many advantages that make it a reliable and convenient option for international money transfers. First, it offers a wide range of countries and currencies, allowing users to send money to over 130 countries. It supports a wide range of currencies, thereby ensuring comprehensive global coverage and flexibility. Various financing options allow users to securely and conveniently fund their transfers through multiple payment methods and platforms, including bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. This service provides users with flexibility and convenience for all financial needs. Fast and secure transfers, as Xoom allows for quick transfers and money is often delivered within minutes. Based on recipient's location and payment method, the platform uses strong security measures to protect users' personal and financial information. Transparency of fees and exchange rates, as Xoom provides upfront information about fees and exchange rates, ensuring complete transparency and assisting users in making well-informed decisions effectively. Comfort is where Xoom offers an easy-to-use and intuitive platform that simplifies the process of transferring money, removing the necessity to visit banks or handle money transfers in person. The speed in Xoom service ensures quick and efficient transfers, as well as fast delivery of funds to recipients, often within just a few minutes, enabling timely and much-needed financial support. Xoom also prioritizes the security and privacy of its users. Advanced encryption and security measures are used to protect personal and financial information. It also offers highly competitive fee rates, providing excellent exchange rates and ensuring transparent, clearly defined fees, enabling users to maximize value from their financial transactions. Offering multiple payment options and various methods of payment, including direct bank deposits, credit card transactions, and cash-on-delivery services. Home delivery that precisely caters to the recipient's unique preferences and personal comfort. Xoom also provides customer support services to assist users with any inquiries or concerns they may have during the transition process. Activating deposits. Go to the Xoom website, click on Sign Up, and choose to register using your email. Enter your details: first and last name, email address, password, mobile phone number, and country of residence. If you have a PayPal account, you can conveniently register using it. After successfully completing the registration process, this user-friendly interface will appear on your screen. To send a transfer, choose the destination country. As mentioned, the site supports 130 countries, many of which are Arab countries. Enter the transfer amount and currency to see the amount the beneficiary will receive. Please subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest content and never miss out on any new videos or announcements. Click Next. Select Delivery option. Click on Submit. Condense text. Find out where and when to collect the remittance. Now, please enter the recipient's details, including their first name, complete address, city of residence, phone number, and email address. After that, a page with your personal information will appear. In the next step, choose the payment method. If there is a scene in which I chose it, I would carefully consider the context and the characters involved to ensure that my choice enhances the overall narrative. Here is your detailed review of the transfer process. You can either edit it for accuracy or directly proceed to the final step. The transfer will be sent within just one single minute.